love for Allah and His Rasul does not fluctuate. There's no negative aspect of that. It never fluctuates. It can be stagnant. It'll be stable, and it will always increase. It will not drop. When it drops, you drop down to away from salvation, and you are totally destroyed. Right? Like you, because of some amal, because of your weakness, you don't perform salah. Weakness is bad, is dangerous. But if you ask that same man, I need your service to defend Islam against the kuffar, are you prepared to give your life? He say, if I have 100 lives, I'll give it. That is the constancy of love and devotion for Allah and His Rasul. So inshaAllah tabarak wa ta'ala, Allah willing, Allah gives me tawfiq, I will continue on this aspect. We leave the negative love. We are not interested in that. We want the positive love, because that's what we require to go ahead towards the path of success, right? Towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Love for Allah and His Rasul is positive love. It is constant, and it does not fluctuate, and it doesn't decrease, it always increases. That is what we're going to pursue, and we're going to look at that and see how we can adjust this into our lives and better our lives for our salvation and for the pleasure of Allah and His Rasul. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala तमाम मुसलमानों को नेक अमल करने की तौफीक अता फरमा। इलाल आलमीन तमाम मुसलमानों के गुनाहों को अपने फजल करम से तू माफ़ फरमा, दरगुजर फरमा, नेकियों की तौफीक दे, गुनाहों से बचा, शरीयत पर कायम रख, अहले सुन्नत वल जमाअत के मजहब पर कायम रहने की तौफीक अता फरमा। परवरदिगार आलम हम में जो बेनमाजी है उनको नमाजी बना दे, जो हम में परेशान है उनकी परेशानियों को दूर फरमा, जो हम में बीमार है उनको शिफा अता फरमा, हम मुसलमान जो मुसलमान हम में बेरोजगार है उन्हें रोजी से लगा दे, हमारी रोजी में बरकतें अता फरमा, ईमान में बरकतें अता फरमा। परवरदिगार आलम जो इस दुनिया से चले गए उनकी भी मगफिरत फरमा। व आखिर दावाना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।